Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan egg rolls. Begin by finely shredding 1 cup of green cabbage and 1/2 cup of fresh carrots. Dice 1/4 cup of fresh mushrooms and 1/4 of a large onion into small pieces. Prepare your aromatics, like 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated fresh ginger. These vibrant vegetables and spices will form the delicious foundation for your egg roll filling. Heat 1 tablespoon of neutral oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic and grated ginger for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add the chopped onion, carrots, and mushrooms, cooking for 5 to 7 minutes until softened. Stir in the shredded cabbage, 3 tablespoons of low-sodium soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Cook for another 3 minutes, then let the filling cool completely. Lay 1 egg roll wrapper on a clean, dry surface with a corner pointing towards you. Place about 2 tablespoons of the cooled filling in the center, just above the bottom corner. Fold the bottom corner over the filling, then fold in the side corners like an envelope. Roll the wrapper tightly towards the top corner, brushing a little water on the top edge to seal it. Repeat this process until all your filling is used, creating beautifully wrapped rolls. For deep frying, heat 2 inches of vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit in a large pot or deep fryer. Carefully fry the egg rolls in batches for 3 to 5 minutes, turning occasionally until golden brown and crispy. If baking, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and brush the rolls with a little oil. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes, flipping halfway until golden. For air frying, cook at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.